We can't talk about renewables revolution if permitting a wind farm takes 7 years. It's time to treat these projects as being in the overriding public interest, said Kadri Simpson, European Commissioner for Energy, on March 8, 2022. Good morning, I'm Mate from the Environmental Perspectives and welcome to the Environmental News Monday. Today we'll talk about REPowerEU, European plan to improve its energy independence. The war in Ukraine disrupted the energy system in Europe. REPowerEU is a plan aimed at rapidly reducing dependence on Russian fossil fuels by fast-forwarding the clean energy transition. This plan has several components: saving energy, diversifying supplies, accelerating the rollout of renewables, reducing fossil fuel consumption in industry and transport, smart investment. These all make sense, but we'll focus on point number 3, increasing the speed of development of renewable energy projects. So REPowerEU aims to increase the 2030 target for renewables from 40% to 45%, tackle slow and complex permitting for major renewable projects, and recognize renewable energy as an overriding public interest. What does it mean? Well, each project has an impact on nature and environment. For instance, wind turbines have negative impact on birds and bats. Because of that, environmental impact assessment is looking to find the best ways to undertake the project and also to find a compromise between project development and protection of nature and environment. That process takes into account factual situation in the field, existing legislation, and in some cases, what is considered an overriding public interest. The decision above guides the overriding public interest in direction of project approval for construction. As a reaction to REPowerEU, the Green 10, a coalition of 10 largest environmental organizations and networks in European Union, gave their response. We fully recognize and support the need for acceleration of renewable energy projects. However, climate crisis and biodiversity conservation can and must be solved together. Further, they emphasize that the current European environmental legislation and also the process of consulting civil society must continue to apply. Otherwise, the citizens of Europe will start to lose confidence in European institutions and also lose confidence in democracy itself. Therefore, the Green 10 emphasized that it's still necessary to follow the existing legislation by conducting environmental impact assessments. For more environmental news like this each Monday, subscribe to the channel. And now the question of the day. So for renewable energy projects, do you think that 1. They should not be checked for their impact on nature anymore? Or 2. They should continue to be checked for their impact on nature? That's all for today. Thank you, and until the next time, goodbye.